The slice method will take as first parameter the indice which we want to start the slice, and then the indice where we want to end the slice. By slice, we just mean we're going to take some portion of the array, slice it out, and return it in our result. Here I created an array similar to those in earlier examples, but added a few extra colors. And then I'm saying I'm going to slice from index 1 to index 3. Index 1 is blue, and index 3 is yellow. And so I'm not going to include yellow, but I'm going to include everything up to yellow. And as you can see, we have blue and green as a result. It's also important to realize that this gave us back a new array, whereas the original array was not in any way modified. The interesting thing about this is that you can also use negative numbers to specify the indices from the end. So here, -4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, starting at the beginning of green, to -1, it's the beginning of purple. And so that will give us green, yellow, and orange, as you can see in the result. And then colors is, once again, not modified.